In this video tutorial, we shall take a look at whitespace in code. From the Visual Studio icon on your desktop, double-click to open the application. If you have followed along from the previous videos, you would have 13 lines of code, similar to mine shown on the screen. This is very readable. But what happens when you have 300 lines of constant code? Very quickly, it can become unreadable. The best test to see if this is true is to visit your code 6 months later to see if you can still understand it. This is where the idea of whitespace can be very important. I will now add whitespace to the code on screen, along with some additional comments. The code has now been divided into sections. There is the initial section, where the Python Tkinter code is called into the interpreter, a function which closes the window when a button is clicked, Windows settings, which include the title, background color, prevention of the window being resized, and the size of the window's width and height. Finally, we have a text label and a close button with varying styles applied. Your code may be similar to mine, but do not be afraid to add additional comments where you feel they are necessary for you to understand the code. One error made by coders is to add white space in anticipation of adding code into that area. As an example, I have now added a blocker space in anticipation of adding a further function. But as I am unsure of the number of lines required, this could leave me having to tidy up the white space. It is more efficient to add the code when required, not when anticipated, as I will show now. As you can see, the result of adding the additional code is far cleaner. We shall look at styling your code in a future tutorial video when we take a look at the PEP8 Style Guide for Python. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel to enjoy future video content and follow Coding5 on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.